Welcome students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kudaleshwar Smart Academy, and I am your Sanskrit teacher. So today we will discuss basic pronouns of Sanskrit. Sarvanamani. In case of all languages, three persons are there. In Sanskrit, this is Uttamaha Purushaha, means in English, first person. In Sanskrit, this is Madhyamaha Purushaha, means in English, second person. And this is Prathamaha Purushaha, means in English, third person. Numbers, see, in case of Sanskrit, additional number is there. One more vachanam we get. Total 3 vachanani are there. Ekvachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. In case of other languages, mainly in English, only 2 numbers are there, singular and plural. But in case of Sanskrit, one more number is there, it is dvivachanam. Means in English, more than one means many. But in case of Sanskrit, more than 2 means many. This keep in mind. So dvivachanam form also we get in Sanskrit. Uttamaha Purushaha Sarvanamani si Ekvachanam aham, dvivachanam avam, bahuvachanam vayam. Means in English, maybe you are knowing first person singular I, first person plural we, knowing na? Here I means aham, ekvachanam, singular. Avam, dvivachanam, means we two. Understood? And vayam, bahuvachanam, plural, means we all. Uttamaha Purushaha, first person, understood? Then Madhyamaha Purushaha, see, in English you are knowing second person pronouns, singular you, plural you. In case of Sanskrit, see, Madhyamaha Purushaha, ekvachanam tvam, you, dvivachanam yuvam, means you two, both of you. Bahuvachanam yuyam, you all of you. Understood? Meaning. Then Prathamaha Purushaha, see, in English, third person. Ekvachanam saha. This is masculine, masculine forms are given. Feminine neuter forms are also there, but here pullingam is given, masculine. He. Understood? In English, third person singular he, she, it, plural they. Here same in case of Sanskrit, but it is called Prathamaha Purushaha. And he means saha, ekvachanam. Understood? Dvivachanam, they two, both the boys, pullingam na. Saha, tau. Tau means both the boys. And te, bahuvachanam, all the boys. Understood? Saha, he, tau, they two, they all. Once again I am telling, first person means Uttamaha Purushaha, aham, I, avam, we two, vayam, we all. Madhyamaha Purushaha means second person in English. Tvam, you. Yuvam, you two. Yuyam, you all. Prathamaha Purushaha means third person in English. Saha, he. Tau, they two. Boys. They all. Boys. Pullingam we are discussing. Because feminine, sate taha. Neuter, tatte tani. These forms are there. Understood? Now, simple clauses we will make just karta and kriya padam. Subject and verb. Okay? Then one verb take. Dhatu means root in case of English. Suppose went, this verb form is there. Then root of went is to go. So to go means dhatu in Sanskrit. Understood? So to go means in English gam gach. Understood? So that only verb form we will use, that only dhatu we will use. Sarvanamani means pronouns are here only with us. Just after sarvanam, that kriya padam we will put. Okay? So I told you dhatu gam gach. This is root. But we are using goes, we use went, we use gone. These forms are there. Other forms means something is added to the root, and these verbs are formed. Understood? So like that only in case of Sanskrit, certain endings are added and we are getting different verb forms. Very first, present tense forms only we will use, easy to understand. Okay? So to go means gam gach. Okay? Then one vikarna chihnam is added. Gam gach, it becomes gach. Gach plus a gach. It is dhatvangam, means main verb we can say. And when vartaman kal or lat lakar ending is added, in case of English, see, goes is there, he, she, it goes we say, so es is added. Understood? No? Like that in Sanskrit, mi, vaha, maha, si, tha, tha, ti, taha, anti. These endings are added. Mi, vaha, maha, uttamaha purusha. Ekvachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Mi, vaha, maha. Madhyamaha purusha, si, tha, tha. Prathamaha purusha, ti, taha, anti. These endings are added to the root dhatu. Okay? Dhatvangam. So gaccha plus mi, gacchami. Gaccha plus vaha, gacchavaha. Gaccha plus maha, gacchamaha. Mi vaha maha. Gaccha plus si, gacchasi. Gaccha plus thaha, gachathaha. Gaccha plus tha, gachatha. Gaccha plus ti, gacchati. Gaccha plus taha, gacchataha. And gaccha plus anti, gacchanti. Gama gaccha means to go. So karta is there, aham. When I say I go, so aham gacchami. Then we two go. Then avam gacchavaha. When I say we all go, then vayam gacchamaha. Then when I say you go, then tvam gacchasi. When I say you both go, then yuvam gacchataha. When I say you all go, then yuyam gachatha. When I say he goes, saha gacchati. When I say both the boys go, then tau gacchataha. When I say all the boys go, then te gacchanti. Understood? Simple clauses in Sanskrit. So again and again see the video, try to understand, and like my channel, share it and subscribe it. Okay, bye.